for the third set of special awards. Now we move to a very heart-clenching segment of our pageant. Pero gusto ko muna marinig ang mga boses ng supporters ng ating mga candidates. Ladies and gentlemen, who do you think will win the winner for Binibining Baler 2022? Seems like everyone has their own choices for the title.
Well, that's not really surprising kasi Joshua, we have a very competitive batch of ladies this year. But sadly, we have to only select 8 candidates who will proceed to the quest of becoming Binibining Baler 2022. And guess what? We are actually ready to announce our top 8. Ladies, breathe. And of course, before that, maraming salamat po for staying with us despite the rain, actually just the drizzle. So I think this is a little blessing from the guy up there for our future Binibining Baler.
And of course, we are just truly blessed with the presence from each and every one of you. And we are blessed to have Binibining Baler 2022. So thank you so much again.
So the top 8 were selected based on the combined scores of the candidates in 4 different competitions. One of which is the closed-door interview, which happened earlier today. The closed-door interview is comprised of 40% of their total semi-final scores.
And of course, the live swimmer competition will also give the candidate another 20%, while the Coco Sabatana costume competition is another 20%. And finally, the evening gown competition will add another 20%, making a total of 100%.
Medyo madugo ang pinagdaanan ng ating mga kandidata to reach the top 8 placement. Pero we have to do this to be able to meet our future Miss Baler and possible future representative for other national and international pageants.
You know what, this is a very exciting part for our candidates and of course for all the audiences. Pero alam ko, habang na talaga ang mga candidates natin waiting for the results for the top 8. This is one of the most awaited parts in any pageant because we will learn who will make it to the next segment of our competition.
Ito rin yung nakakalungkot for the ladies who will not make it. But for the ladies who will not be able to get into the top 8, always remember, you are here not just for the crown. You're here for the sisterhood. You're here for the friendship, for the experience, for the learnings that you will get from joining beauty pageants. So congratulations still.
Tama yan. Pero di ba out of all the ladies, it's already an achievement. All the ladies here in Baler, you guys were chosen to represent your each and own barangay. So congratulations already sa lahat sa inyo for joining Binibining Baler 2022. You have already succeeded in the first step to your journey for pageantry.
I think that deserves another round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations, ladies, for making it this far.
Yes, that is true. That is a really great achievement. And of course, makikita na natin maya-maya lamang ang ating top 8. And of course, hindi pa dyan nagtatapos. After the top 8, lalo lang hihirap ang gagawin ng ating mga ladies.
I agree, because after our top 8 selection, we will proceed to the judges' question and answer portion, which is actually my favorite portion because ang hilig kong magsalita.
Ayan, kaya naman pala nag-host ka ngayon. Talagang very intuitive and very intelligent. Yan ang kailangan talaga ng ating mga Binibining Baler. Not only looks and beauty outside, pero meron din silang intelligent and beauty inside.
Itong co-host ko medyo bolero. But we are now ready to announce this year's Binibining Baler Top 8. Are you ready? Hindi ako naniniwala. Are you ready?
Yan ang gusto natin, ladies and gentlemen. We are now going to announce.
May we now call on stage Ms. Cristal Faye Salazar, Chapter President and Budget Officer of Aurora State College and representative of the Philippine Institute of Certified Public Accountants, Aurora Chapter, and our official tabulators for Binibining Baler 2022 to hand us the results.
And of course, ladies and gentlemen, we would just like to remind that we are going to announce the list in a random order. And I know you guys are ready, so now let us begin. ladies and gentlemen, the first to make it to the top 8 is you, candidate number 5, Poblacion 5, Maria Angela Alcoetas. You have also made it to the top 8, candidate number 7 from Barangay Buhangin, Victoria Grace of Palace Peace. Your wait is over and move on up. Candidate number 3 from Barangay Reserva, Rochelle Velio. Making half for the top 8. You are in candidate number 11 from Poblacion 2, Cali, Aubrey Escobar.
Please step forward because you made it to the top 8. Candidate number 8 from Poblacion 3, Joyce Jacob. You may now join your sisters up front. Candidate number 6 from Barangay Sabat, Giselle and Milao. Your quest continues. Candidate number 2 from Poblacion 4, Maylene M. Padua. And to complete our top 8, congratulations! Candidate Calabuanan, Therese Catipon. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the top 8 semi-finalists for Binibining Baler 2022. One of them is going to be crowned later on this evening. Ladies, congratulations.
And of course, to all other remaining candidates, thank you so much for your performance here tonight. Your time for showing your beauty and talent here in Binibining Baler 2022 pageant.
Ayan, ito na nga. We are now ready for the much awaited part of the competition. This is the judges' question and answer portion. Each of our finalists will approach the center and will have a 40 seconds time to answer the question. Candidates, you will hear this sound. And that means that you only have 10 seconds left to complete your answers and wrap it all up.
And of course, I know that our top 8 semi-finalists are all excited and happy, but there is no easy way or shortcut to get the title of Binibining Baler 2022. As the competition still continues with the question and answer round. So ladies, one last chance to show all you are the most deserving to win the crown. Give it your best shot, and of course, we will now invite the first semi-finalist on stage.
Ladies, breathe. So let's have candidate number 5 from Poblacion 5, Miss Maria Angela Cuetas.
Ito ko, to Senator Binibining Baler.
You may now pick your judge.
Lalabas sila mamaya.
She picked Mr. Mark Avendaño, our Mr. Globe Philippines 2020, to give the question. Kinakabahan ka ba?
Ang naalala ko, layo na
A little, pero kayang-kaya. I'm sure kayang-kaya.
Kayang-kaya. So, what is your preparation before you join this pageant? Kamusta naman?
I've been exercising because I've been gaining a lot of weight this past month. And I'm trying to reconnect to my Baler Festa.
Okay, bye.
Well, I think all of us gained weight in the past few months, and of course, in the pandemic, di ba? Wala tayong ginagawa lahat, so we were just all eating inside our houses.
I agree. Medyo inaalis lang natin yung kaba mo right now.
Yes.
But for Q&A, what type of preparations did you do?
Well, I've been reading and watching the latest news as well as the Q&A from the past 2017.
Yes, napakatagal na. 2017 pa. Of course, Binibining Baler 2022, malalaman natin yan maya-maya kung sino ang papangalanan sa inyo to win that title. And I know, of course, napakahirap tumayo dito sa stage na to answer the questions from our judges. And it's truly an amazing sight to see 8 of our ladies advancing to the next segment of the competition.
I agree, and I think we are now ready to give the question. That will be coming from Mr. Mark Avendaño, our Mr. Global Philippines 2022.
Hi. Hello.
Hi.
Hi, how are you feeling?
A little nervous, but kaya.
Here's your question. When is the right time to stop? And when is the right time to move forward?
I believe that the right time to stop is the time when you feel sad, exhausted. It's okay to take a rest, breathe. And I believe that the right time to move forward is when you feel that you are already strong, already with your power. That's all. Thank you.
Thanks, Anita po. Okay, let's call our next candidate. Candidate number 7 from Barangay Buhangin, Victoria Grace Panis. Hello, Victoria. You may not be the judge.
Victoria, you picked our Miss Universe Philippines 2022 first runner-up, Miss Annabelle McDonald.
Hello, good evening, Victoria. My question goes, if your school's curriculum included teachings that were not compatible with your faith, how would you handle it? Again, if your school's curriculum included teachings that were not compatible with your faith, how would you handle it?
Well, I have experienced this a lot of times. When I'm studying in college, in my school.
Speaking English para maging magtanong.
When I experience this, I always accept. I always accept the perspective of other people. I always respect what they think is right. Because I believe we all have different views of all other things. That's all.
Great job, Victoria. Good recovery. Now let's call on candidate number 3 from Barangay Reserva, Rochelle Ben.